My name is Marianne, and this is my second summer working as a student in Gros Morne National Park. Gros Morne just brought new standards of life for me. It's just everywhere you look is a possible adventure, and that's what I love about the park, is that everything is a possibility, and everywhere you look, it's just beauty. I was able to build my own little family here, my own little support system. Everything around me, the nature, the friends, are just what makes me whole. Everything about Gros Morne is what brought me back here.